We were already quite curious about the big salt pans of Botswana. First, we deflated the tires a bit to make sure that we can drive smoothly on the somewhat soft underground. To begin with, Peter had to wind his way through the bushes. Because of the rainy season and the weight of the vehicle, people advised us not to cross the pan, but rather approach it from the border. And this seemed more than reasonable given the weather. The underground was shortly so slippery as ice, and we even sunk quite a bit in the sand. The cows and us liked the enormous width of the pan, and despite the scantiness, they seemed to feel good. And this South American family got a bad break. Though they were driving around with a local guide, they got stuck at the border of the salt pan. When we met them, they had spent already the entire night in their car. We then tried again to pull them out with the car of our guide. Luckily, this time it worked and the family was finally rescued. I'm sure that was a big adventure for them, which they will never forget. People warned us of difficult river crossings. Well, this first one was easy. But this one seemed to be a bit deeper, so we virtuously climbed down and walked to the riverbed to have a look. After Peter has brought the camera in shooting position, I reeled slowly with Globy through the dry river. And indeed, it was easier than we thought at the beginning. What's happening here? The nice big road becomes super narrow all of a sudden. And what does this mean? Exactly, give me the loppers and start working. This exercise replaces any fitness training. The road became broader again after half a kilometer. But instead the next obstacle appeared, a railroad crossing. This one I've tackled as well very slowly in walking pace, as it was really very bumpy. But no problem for Globy, of course. And with Peter as gatekeeper, it anyway goes smoothly. A little bit of help with some instructions to make sure we pass the gate easily, and we are ready to head further northwards.